Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Directive 8020 and your game is stuck on black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Directive 8020 stuck on black screen easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Directive 8020 games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program file is 6, Steam, Steam apps, common, Directive 8020. Here you're gonna go into binaries and then Win64. You're gonna right click on the Directive 8020 exe, go into properties, go into compatibility and then click disable full screen optimizations along with run this program as an administrator. After that click apply and then OK. And once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers. So I'm going to show you Nvidia first, afterwards I'll show you Intel and then AMD. You're going to click on two drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So just scroll down, select your graphics card along with your operating system and then model. Click find here. After that, it will find you the correct GeForce Game Ready drivers for your computer. Once it's done, now you're going to go ahead and download and install the GeForce Game Ready drivers on your computer. Now onto Intel, go on to intel.com. You're going to click on to support here. Click download center. You're going to click on to graphics. And then you're going to search for your graphics card here. Intel Arc A750 for example. Click onto your graphics card. Download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer. And now I'm going to show you AMD. You're going to go on to AMD.com, click resources and support, drivers, scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX and select your graphic card series and then model. Click submit, select your operating system here, Windows 10 or Windows 11, whichever one you have. Download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers on your computer. After that, you're going to install the drivers and you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up Steam. You're going to right click on Directive 8020, go into properties, install files and then click verify entire video game files here. Once it's done, now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and you will see that your game will now work. You will not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Peace.